Hey everyone, welcome back. I always find at Christmas time there's lots of gingerbread in the house. If you make a gingerbread house or gingerbread people over Christmas, there's always leftovers, and a great way to use them up is in my 2-ingredient homemade ice cream. We're going to give it a festive makeover and make gingerbread cookie ice cream. Let's get started. We're starting off with double cream, and you can either use a hand mixer or a stand mixer, whichever is handier, and whip up the double cream until it reaches stiff peaks. Pour in the cold condensed milk and the vanilla extract. Make sure the condensed milk is cold as it will whip up quicker. The vanilla extract is optional, but I like to add it into my homemade ice cream. Whip one last time until the mixture is thick. This homemade ice cream will last in the freezer for 8 weeks, so you've got lots of time now to make it for Christmas and pop it in the freezer and have it on Christmas Day. Once the mixture is thick, it's ready for the gingerbread. Add in the gingerbread crumb, and it's nice to have a mix of big and small bits in there. Fold it into the ice cream mixture. This ice cream is so easy to make, and you can customize it for your own favourite flavours. Check out my Baileys and chocolate chip ice cream. It's another favourite at Christmas. This is ready, so let's get it into the tin. I'm using a 2-pound loaf tin, and there's no need to line it. Spoon it all in and smooth the top of the ice cream. Sprinkle over gingerbread cookie crumbs, and I've got these really cute gingerbread sprinkles, so I'm going to add some of these to the top as well. Why not make your own homemade ice cream and impress your family and friends with it over Christmas? It's important to cover the ice cream with cling wrap and pat it down. This helps prevent ice crystals from forming in the ice cream. Now this needs to go into the freezer for at least 5 hours, or preferably overnight. When it's ready, remove the cling wrap and let it sit for about 5 minutes before serving. Using an ice cream scoop, dip it in warm water and scoop out the ice cream. Just look how perfect it is. Place in a tall ice cream sundae glass if you have one, sprinkle over some more gingerbread crumbs and add a few sprinkles if you have some. This is definitely a holiday flavour, and I know you're going to love it. This is a great gift idea. It's so easy to make, and you can make so many of your favourite flavours. Hope you try out this gingerbread ice cream over the festive season. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!